Welcome to the official video installation guide for Wyze lock bolt, the deadbolt with a brain. To get started, remove your existing lock by unscrewing the interior assembly from the inside of your door. With the interior assembly out of the way, unscrew the deadbolt from your door and easily take off the exterior assembly. With the hardware removed, you should be left with nothing but a big round hole. Your next task is to measure the distance from the center of that hole to the edge of the door. That distance is called your door's backset, and you can measure it with either a measuring tape or with the template that came with your Wyze lock bolt. If your backset measures 2 3/8 inches, your door's backset matches the factory settings for your Wyze lock bolt, and you can skip the next step. However, if your measurement is 2 3/4 inches, you'll need to adjust the length of your lock bolt hardware. To adjust the length, take the deadbolt in both hands, like this, and twist until it is fully extended. With the deadbolt adjusted to fit your door's size, you can now install it in your door using the 2 screws provided. Make sure that word top is oriented, well, on top, and that the T-shaped hub of the deadbolt is centered in the hole in the door. Before we go any further, let's test that deadbolt. Your Wyze lock bolt has an exterior keypad and an interior assembly. Take the interior assembly and insert its tailpiece into the T-shaped hub of the deadbolt. Holding the interior assembly in place, you should be able to easily turn the deadbolt in and out. If there's resistance, check your door frame strike plate. If needed, you can install the strike plate and dust box provided. This step can be skipped if there's no resistance. For more solutions to door jams, visit support.wyze.com. Now, remove the interior assembly and let's install the keypad. You may want to have a friend on hand to help with these next few steps. From the exterior side of the door, insert the keypad's screw holders through the 2 holes on the back end of the deadbolt. Make sure the cable goes underneath the deadbolt and have your friend hold the keypad flat against the door. Now, on the interior side of the door, take the mounting plate and ensure that the word up is facing up. Route the cable through the rectangular slot on the mounting plate. Then, align the 2 holes at the bottom of the mounting plate with the screw holders from the keypad assembly. Insert the screws provided, but tighten only partially. Take a moment to ensure that the mounting plate and keypad are aligned properly before tightening all the way. Your friend can now leave. Seriously, tell the guy to take a hike. Now, let's install the interior assembly. Remove the battery cover by lifting from the bottom of the lock where the nook with a sticker open is labeled. Attach the cable to the back of the interior assembly, checking to ensure that 1. The cable is fully inserted, and 2. The mark is facing up. When standing inside facing your door, if the lock is on the right side, turn the thumb latch horizontal. If the lock is on the left side of the door, turn the thumb latch vertical. Now, gently tuck the remaining cable to the side of the tailpiece and insert the tailpiece through the same T-shaped hub in the deadbolt as before. Check that the entire interior assembly is flush against the door and try unlocking and locking the deadbolt a few times, like before, to ensure everything is still smooth. Now insert and tighten the 2 small screws provided. Finally, install the included batteries. You should hear a beep after 3 seconds. Keep the battery cover off until pairing is complete. When you have finished pairing, you can then put the battery cover on. Excellent! You've installed your Wyze lock bolt and can now finish setup by following the instructions in the Wyze app. You've accomplished some mighty fine work. I'd say go treat yourself for a job well done.